Good afternoon bike fans and welcome to the video of this Triumph Tiger 800 XRX. This is a 2019 plate with 15,193 miles on the clock. Really clean bike. You wouldn't know it's done that mileage from looking at it. It's been well looked after. It has had the valve clearance service done as well as a couple of services since then. As you can see, it's got Triumph alloy luggage. It's got front and rear comfort seat. This is the XRX model, like I mentioned, so it's got a full colour TFT dashboard. You can also change the way it looks as well. So if you prefer to see it in a different way, you can fiddle with that and change all the settings on there. 4 power modes, traction control, cruise control, heated grips. I think that's about it. ABS is standard as well. Really good bike these. They're a good competitor to the R1200 GS because they're a little bit lower, they're loads lighter, but they've still got loads of power. So they're easy to ride, perfectly usable off-road as well. Just a really good all-round bike. And this is a nice clean one. So if you do fancy it, get on the blower or pop on down. Thank you for watching. Cheers. My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.